Coast to coast instrumentals.
Yeah, motherfuckers, bitch. It's the Hanukkah Massacre. Dreidel. I got the only flow that you know that's gon' bring in Bentleys. I'm the king of rock, but I ain't Elvis Presley.
Hold on. Yo, Dreidel. You already know who it is. It's your boy Hayes and all of that shit. DBL CEO, man. My boy about to go tear shit up. It's the Hanukkah Massacre. I ain't even Jewish and I'm about to go buy this shit. You already know what time it is. Yo, Dreidel, man, keep doing your thing. Keep doing what you do. You know what I mean? I'm going to do what I do on the side. And we going to combine that and we going to make money, nigga. Fuck the bullshit. DBL, salute.
Coast to coast instrumentals.
Yeah, motherfuckers, bitch. It's the Hanukkah Massacre. Dreidel. I got the only flow that you know that's gon' bring in Bentleys. I'm the king of rock, but I ain't Elvis Presley. People get scared, just my name getting mentioned. Pop the Glock, drop you in a box like intimates. Ain't ball my corner pocket, but they ain't no pool hall. Fuck with this Jews crew and you'll leave like fall. I bring it to the spring and the rest of the seasons. I go through O's and I'm high, yo, like Cleveland. It don't gotta be Halloween just to be tricking and treating. I call the bitch submarine the way she love my semen. Balls must be cracked, cause you're fiending to hear me. And I'ma say it's a cloudy day if you ain't spitting clearly. I'm the sire of my empire, shiny chain gon' blink for ya. You can only put my fire out with an extinguisher. My quarters flip like fishes out the water, kid. But Dreidel stays with more balls than a toddler's crib. Yeah, I told you it's the Hanukkah Massacre. It's 09, but I've been doing this since motherfucking 05, 04, I don't know. It's your boy Dreidel, George Cush, Robert De Niro. I'm the illest motherfucker out, Jewish. We coming through, aiming down everyone in sight. How could I ever do wrong when everything is so right? I'm from the Port Knox where mad fiends snort rocks. I beam teams and my tech disinfects like Clorox. I'ma let you know early, you're hopelessly through. I'm crazy, I rip out your girl's fallopian tubes. Open a blouse wide out and start holding her boobs. My man was an alkie, that's why she died soaking in brew. I don't mind poking at you, blunts and smoking a few. You say you're big, but step back when I'm approaching your crew. So if you're not quoting this Jew, I don't wanna hear you talking with John Hancock of outlining bodies in chalk. My guns bang, you sound like champagne bottle corks. I got the whole drawer silverware, you're holding a fork. Your life's a 50-50 chance, like flipping quarters. You know I'm pursuing slaughter, flows dirtier than sewage water. Yeah, motherfucker. DBL, down by Loyalty Entertainment. It's your boy Dreidel. Nailless motherfucker around. 18 years old. And I'm Jewish. Bitch.